Model, 2018 Ford Transit 352.0 TDCI fridge van none runner engine seized needs repairs. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 345,000. MOT, the 18th of February 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, fridge. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.